Want to try this beautiful 3D stitch? This scarf is a wonderful conversation piece because of its beautiful three-dimensional texture and amazing stretch. Luckily, it's way easier than it looks. Let's do this. First, we start off with the adjustable loop, and we're going to chain 20. This scarf can be done in multiples of 3 plus 2, and so I chose to do 18 and add 2, which is 20. But you can do it as wide as you like. Just use the medium weight yarn of your choice, or number 4, and a 6.0 hook. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Now let's proceed to double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. That's 1 double crochet, and double crochet in each chain across. I must admit, I completely forgot what yarn I used to create this 3D scarf. There's a good chance I just grabbed the yarn on sale and just got started. But any number 4 will work. In fact, I've done this pattern before with a chunkier yarn also. Just continue on to double crochet into each chain across. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And here we are at the end, and double crochet into the very last chain. Now for row 2, we're going to chain 3 and turn. Let's double crochet 3 into the 2nd double crochet. That's 1 double crochet. It's the 2nd one into the very same double crochet, and the 3rd one into the same double crochet. Now let's chain 3, skip the next 2 double crochet, and then double crochet 3 into the 3rd double crochet. That's 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to continue to repeat this process all the way across. Chain 3, skip 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and double crochet 3 into the 3rd double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, skip 2 double crochet 3 into the next double crochet. That's the 3rd double crochet. 2 and 3, etc., etc., etc. Now double crochet 3 into your last double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and double crochet into the top of the chain 3 of the previous row. Now for row 3, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, and then we're going to back post double crochet 3 into the first double crochet of the double crochet 3 cluster. It sounds exciting, but really you just yarning over. Go behind your work around that first double crochet in that double crochet 3 cluster. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. And we're going to do 2 more. So you're going to yarn, I kind of hold it so that you can have good leverage. Yarn over. In front of that, you're going to go ahead and do another double crochet. And yet again, pull it so it's comfortable and you have good leverage. Yarn over. And in front of that one, you're going to do a double crochet. That's your double crochet 3 cluster for the next row. Now we're going to repeat this across. Chain 3, skip all of that that's going on and go straight to the double crochet 3 cluster and do 3 double crochets into that very first double crochet of the cluster. That's 1. You know, I kind of pinch it so that I can have leverage, so that I can have control of the whole thing. Yarn over. That's another double crochet, and then we got the 3rd double crochet we're going to put right in front of that one. And we'll go. We're going to repeat again. Chain 3, skip everything until you get to the very next double crochet 3 cluster, and you're going to double crochet 3 into that very first double crochet. Going from the back, it should be much easier to gain control of it now. And you're going to double crochet 1, and we're going to double crochet again, and that's 2, and one more time, double crochet. We're just going to repeat this all the way until the end of the work. Chain 3, back post double crochet into the very first double crochet of that cluster. There you go. Going straight in the back through to the side, double crochet. Becomes easier and easier as we continue on. And this is the 3rd back post double crochet. Chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3, and here we go. Nice and spacious. We can see our work. When you pull it forward and put your finger through, it helps you to be able to see exactly what you're doing. That's that back post double crochet. That's the first one. Back post double crochet, and this is the second one. And back post double crochet. This is the 3rd one. Chain 3, 3, back post double crochet into the first double crochet of that double crochet 3 cluster. That's the first one. The 2nd double crochet and the 3rd double crochet. Now we're going to go right to the end and just double crochet into the top of the chain 3. Now we should be able to see our accordion-like pattern coming to life. Now for row 4, chain 3, turn, and back post double crochet 3 into the first double crochet of the double crochet 3 cluster. This is the first one, double crochet, another back post double crochet, and the third back post double crochet. Chain 3 and continue on with the exact same pattern throughout the entire length of this project until the piece is as long as you like. I literally repeated this pattern for approximately 99 rows for the scarf that is showcased in the beginning of this video. It really seemed to work up fast. I didn't even realize I was going that long, but when I use a chunkier yarn, like maybe a number 5, I would go around 65 or 66 rows. And it would still be a really nice and long scarf. So just continue to repeat the pattern over and over again until you're ready to complete the very last row, which is how we're going to make the scarf nice and even, because at this point the pattern creates a bit of a fan effect. We want to bring that fan in so the bottom row is even with the very first row. Back post double crochet 3 into the first double crochet of the double crochet 3 cluster, chain 3, and double crochet or back post double crochet into the first double crochet of the double crochet 3 cluster. That's 2. This is the second double crochet, and this is the third. And now once we complete that, we're at the end and we can double crochet into the top of the chain 3. Okay, so once you've completed the amount of rows that you decided on, we're going to go for the last row, which is chain 1, turn, and you're going to double crochet into each double crochet across, skipping all chains. So that's double crochet into the first double crochet into the second double crochet, and double crochet into the third double crochet. Skip those 3 chains and double crochet into the next double crochet, and double crochet into the very next one, and double crochet into the very next one. Skip those chain 3 and continue this pattern across until you reach the end. This will pull your work in so that the very first row is even with the very last row, and you'll no longer have that fan effect. Now double crochet into the top of the last chain 3. You're going to add an extra loop, cut it, and fasten off. Then you'll weave in all the ends and you're done. There you have it, your amazing 3D scarf, which you can wear a variety of ways, including using one of the very stretchy and accordion-like holes to anchor one end of your scarf for a really totally secure fit that has no possibility of unraveling. Like this. If you enjoyed this video and found it to be useful, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And remember, click the notification bell so you'll know every time we post a new video.